What's up, YouTube? Today we will be discussing how to change the bid strategy for particular days in the week for your ad schedule. This, of course, is a continuation of the series we had on bid adjustments in Google Ads. So today's topic is, as I said, changing the bid strategy for particular days in the week. So, for example, if there are some businesses which spike towards the weekends or towards the weekdays. That is when you want to bid higher during those days. And today we will be tackling that issue. So we go to the primary menu, select ad schedule. Then it takes us to this chart. Then in the very first column itself, you see bid adjustments, and you have to select the day on which you want to bid high. Let's say, for example, yours is a business when people search more for your business during weekends. So I would increase the budget by 20% here and on Sundays as well. Suppose you get very low traffic during Mondays, you could also just decrease it by 10% and select save. So this is how you ensure that the budget is optimized according to the days of the week and according to the timings as well. You could try doing something like that. But during timings, please ensure that the timing is broader. Do not choose a very small time span. The smaller the time span, the ads don't start running. The ads start running only after let's say an hour of the ad actually starting. What do I mean to say by that? Let's say, for example, your ad is starting at 9 a.m. Many times the ad starts at 10 or maybe even at 11, and then it starts running and it gets gusto by 12. So always try to choose an ad schedule which is about 10 hours or 12 hours at least. It's not essential that you run a 24-hour call ad or let's say any kind of ad, but it is very important that your ad campaigns get the time to build up steam and they will start giving you the good results. So if you like my video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more instructive videos on this topic. And I will see you next time.